joining me today. A couple things before I get to what I'm going to do today. My father, who is the one that got me into painting to start with, has now started his own YouTube channel. So I'm really excited. Please go check him out. His channel name is DJ Fluid Arts, ARTZ. I will go ahead and link it in the description box. He's got some really neat techniques that he does, and another exciting thing is that in the next couple weeks we are going to do a collaboration. I am going to try his techniques, so go on over there, check out his channel, so then you'll see kind of what we're gonna do. But that's pretty exciting news. And then on to what I'm doing today. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour. A lot of times when I do paintings, I use a lot of colors. So I went with a minimalist type of Dutch pour today. My background color is just going to be black. It's going to be a diptych, so there's going to be two 10 by 30, nope, 10 by 20, sorry, two 10 by 20 canvases, and they are going to be just 3 colors. So 2 of the colors I mixed myself. I wanted kind of a blush pink, so I used some, I think, Liquitex titanium white, just some, I can't remember which red, probably just a cadmium red, and then some yellow ochre, surprisingly. So that came up with my blush pink. And then my burgundy color was alizarin, I think I'm saying that right, crimson by Golden, and I mixed that with a little bit of Amsterdam black, oxide black. So yeah, I think that's it. It is just those 2 mixed together. So it came up with a kind of a deeper burgundy that I was looking for. And then the other color is just a bronze, so by Amsterdam. So I'm gonna get going here, guys. I hope you enjoy the video, and please go check out my dad's channel, give him some love, subscribe to his channel. I know that he's brand new. He's got 2 videos on there right now, so go on over there and check him out. Thanks, guys, for being here, and let's get painting. Okay, so I'm just going to pop in here real quick. You see that my bottle with my Artist Loft Flow Black has a nylon over it. It's because I've been getting chunks in my paint, and so I just decided that I would go ahead and do that in order to keep the chunks out of it. So it's a good way. Another thing is you'll see here that I'm scraping my black paint back into a cup after I flooded the canvas. I just realized I'm wasting a lot of paint, so I have been saving my drips, so I thought I would just go ahead and collect the black before I did the rest of it, because that's going to be the majority of the paint. So I will let you go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for joining me.